the level, Gronk. Wrong level!
Don't do it! Oh no! Oh no!
Hey, Spicy.
I know you're about to bite me.
Ready?
What? No, okay, no.
It's pistachio ice cream. Pachi.
Come here, buddy. Krieger. Why are you so bad?
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay.
Would you like to wear this as a hat?
Tell me you have a golden retriever without telling me you have a golden.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring. Oh my god!
Roundabout cowboy. Okay, no.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't.
The choice is yours.
Leaving for work. Bye. Love you. All right. No. No. What? Mila. Mila. Oh my god.
He could do it if he tried.
No, I'm out. No.
And they're just super playful. They still. Oh. Hello, Phoenix.
He's very loving and kind.
In the basement?
Hi.
Oh my god.
Jeez. Okay, okay.
Vậy bạn ơi.
Oh my god.
Meow, 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 meow.
Meow. Meow.
Damn, you got something on you. You just got something.
Make it good.
Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat?
¿Quieres comida, eh? Ahora te la traigo.
Uy, 3.
You guys. Oh, Taco. Oh, Frank. Should I get a dog?
Good job, Whisper. Good job.
It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't leave me your house, right?
Guys.
It's gonna happen again.
This on a poster. You know how like a lot of words. Like
Hello. Ow! No!
His face.
No. No.
Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray? Do it.
High five.
Look!
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. Yeet!
Say yeah!
May I have your smelly bird?
Big stretch. That's a good one.
Where's the catnip?
For it until now.
Careful.
You got some right here.
Hey.
ماذا تفعل بالفأر؟
I thought today was your day with the brain cell. What happened?